Everyone, I have with me here what I believe is a Tangerine Pearl Whiteback. This little bird is nicknamed Songbird, and Songbird is going to be dunder tested this week, and they are definitely available for sale. As you can see, they have a really lovely pattern already, so it'll be really interesting to see how their color develops as they get older. Like I said, I believe it's a Tangerine Pearl Whiteback. It could be an Orange Pearl Whiteback, but based on the shade of the color, I do believe it's a Tangerine Pearl. If anyone's interested in this little bird, please do not hesitate to reach out. Thanks for listening, guys, and thanks for watching.